Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your HTML and CSS knowledge to make your cooking life better. So often there's like a New York Times cooking website that has a lot of pretty good recipes, but sometimes you run into the paywall, or even if it's not a paywall, you run into this annoying pop-up. And so a simple trick that you can do in any browser, and in this case I'm using Firefox, but most browsers, when you right click and you click inspect, you can actually see the whole structure of the web page. And I'm just going to change this view back to within the browser here. Basically, this is the inspector tool, and you can hover over any part of the HTML code. You could think of HTML as defining the content that you see on the screen. And yeah, and so there's a part in this page that defines this thing that pops up. In design terms, it's called a modal, M-O-D-A-L. But yeah, so like if you try to figure out which one represents that, you can change the CSS style, which has a property called display none, and that will allow you to get rid of it. Now it looks like there's still, now you can see all the content on the page, but there's this gray background that I'm seeing here, which is unfortunate. So what you can do is, I'm going to hover over this again. Okay, I'm going to do display none, and then I'm going to try to figure out where that modal is. Looks like it's this one, display none. So now it looks like a normal web page, and you can now look at your cooking recipe. So yeah, that's how knowing a basic CSS and knowing basic HTML combined with the inspector tool can help you be a better cook. So you don't even need to be a software engineer for this to be impactful to your life. That's all.